So hello everyone, welcome to my channel with a brand new another video. So viewers, today in this video I will learn to you all how to earn like 150 to $200 in a 1 hour. So let's see. So first I will recognize to you all fiverr.com. So let's see. So fiverr.com, this platform is a very friendly and very trusted website for all of our freelancer and clients. So let's see, today I will describe to you all this website. So viewers, so let's see the first graphic design. So here the list. So some categories is here: logo design, brand style guides. So not now, I don't need that. But why, man? So let's back. This top up tab disturbing me, but my net is very slow. And so let's see the Fiverr business is here, then logo design, WordPress, voiceover, video explainer, social media. So lifestyle, so become a seller. So let's see what is become a seller and describe to you all. So this, I'm a designer, I'm a developer, I'm a writer, I'm a video editor, I'm a musician, I'm a voice artist, I'm social media. So how it works, it's three steps is here. One, create a gig, sign up for free, set up your gig and offer your work to our global audience. So how it works, so deliver great work, get notified when you get an order, and use our system to discuss details with customers. Then the number 3, get paid on time, every time payment is transferred to you upon order. Competition, so then learn on demand professional courses led by the world's leading experts. So what's see, learn more. So buyer stories is here. People love our logo and we love Fiverr. Jennifer Gorey, CEO of Willet. So learn.fiverr.com. So here is some gigs. You can order from this gig and you can work from use this gig. You can open. If you earn more money, so you have need to become a you have need to open a Fiverr account and make a gig, work with YouTube and so first, practical skills, learn proven methods, processes and best practices and apply them to work immediately. Then learn from the best, courses tailored for your professional needs, lead your handpicked industry experts. So no subscriptions fees, pay only for courses you want to take, no monthly fees, know the exact cost upfront. So Angel Winslet is here, Junichi Tsuchineko, graphic designer and illustration, work with Adidas, Google and Nick. Fiverr.com is here. So contact support. So Fiverr.com login. So you have need to log in. You can use your Facebook, continue with Google, continue with Apple ID, and join us. So what's careers. where we are here. So here's the video. For a big team comprised of pretty small teams but by unique minds, technology, product, data. So perfecting the platform and applications with cutting edge technologies. Some product make an impact on the way the world works together. Data, the launchpad for successful data carriers. So design, cultivate your creative career on a global stage. Marketing, living and breathing the Fiverr brand. Business, so leading global expansion to level the professional playing field. So then customer care and trust, safety, the front of the line of customer experience. General admin, the backbone of Fiverr's culture. Finance, bills, budgets, balances and beyond. So Fiverr has two offices. One is here in New York City and second Israel. It's Israel brand. Shut up. We are all about providing a conducive environment so that everyone can learn, thrive, and the best version of themselves. All of your locations showcase items made by Fiverr sellers. Explore some of our offices here. So there, Fiverr has 4 offices. So first is Tel Aviv from Israel, Berlin, Kiev, New York, London, Orlando, San Francisco. So let's see the Tel Aviv. So this is Tel Aviv office. Android engineer, backend software engineer, data platform engineer, develops team leader, front end developer, front end engineer, design system, full stack developer, innovation, where is innovation? So platform backend engineer, senior Android engineer, senior backend software engineer, senior front end developer, senior front end developer, senior full stack engineer, senior iOS engineer, product. So some 7 products. Direct of UX writing, principal product manager, marketing automation, senior product manager, QIB, senior product manager, mobile UX writer. So data, business data analyst, temporary postal data engineer, performance data analyst, risk research analyst, design, so product design, marketing, CRM, automation manager, growth marketing manager, head of global SDR, marketing automation manager, PPC specialist. So PPC specialist search is here. Business logo maker, talent manager is here. Professional evaluator, graphic design, Tel Aviv from Israel, professional evaluator, writing, and Tel Aviv. Business, so customer care and trust safety, general and admin, community affairs manager, office administrator, viewers. Fiverr.com is a very good platform for all our freelancer and all our the customer and client, so you can earn more money from use this website. Just you have need to create a Fiverr account and work with them. So see you later, tata, bye bye.